In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get affiliate links from Wayfair using the CJ Deep Link tool. So whether you're just starting out with your affiliate marketing journey or looking to expand your income streams, this step-by-step guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, you'll need to log into your CJ account. Head over to cj.com and use your credentials to gain access. For those unfamiliar, CJ Affiliate, formerly known as Commission Junction, is a well-known platform that connects advertisers and publishers. It's important to make sure your account details are up to date, as this ensures everything runs smoothly. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Advertisers section, click on Go to Advertisers, and then type Wayfair into the search bar. Wayfair has a vast array of products, making it an attractive option for affiliate marketing. After finding Wayfair in the advertisements list, the next step is to join their affiliate program. You'll see a button labeled Join Program. Click on it and wait for approval. Sometimes approval might be instant, whereas other times it might take a little while. Be patient. This is a crucial step. Once you receive approval, click on the Wayfair option under your advertisers. Then navigate to the Links tab and select Deep Link Tool. This tool is essential for creating specialized links that direct customers to specific products on Wayfair, ensuring they land exactly where you want them. To find a product you'd like to promote, open up wayfair.com in another tab. Browse through their vast selection of products, and once you find something you're excited about or feel would resonate with your audience, click on it. This will lead you to the product page. On the product page, you'll need to copy the product URL. Simply highlight the web address at the top of your browser, right-click, and select Copy. Now go back to the deep link generator on your CJ account and paste the product URL you just copied into the provided field. Make sure you pasted it correctly, as any errors might lead your audience to broken links or entirely different products. Next, click on Generate Link. The tool will then create a CJ affiliate link for you. With your CJ affiliate link now ready, copy it. You can then share this link on your blog, YouTube video description, or even in a social media post. This is where your marketing skills come into play. The more effective you are at promoting, the better the chance of earning commissions. And there you have it. You now know how to create affiliate links from Wayfair using the CJ Deep Link tool. Remember, consistency is key, so keep experimenting with different products and good luck with your affiliate marketing journey.